nice, so the love thing fuck it. Me even want nobody call me.
Yeah, what style, man, for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God Skeleton and I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean, I say, yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them, man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Another man book it, but dream have money, yeah, the next day ain't fuck it.
Jaja God, when artist bad. I mean, I say viewers and subscriber, how are you guys doing? I mean, I say me come across this artist goes by the name, you know, Kid Chop, you know. I mean, I tell her say in drop a song name, Fuck It, 2 weeks ago. I mean, I tell her say me listening song, you know, I mean, I say, yo, John was star. Me I tell her them girl are wicked, wicked. Yeah, man, there are some girl in the street that stand same like what dog I say about, man, you see me?
Love don't real, never know you woulda do me. See la.
I mean, I say me no just one day I talk about the artist, you know, and you guys no go listening to yourself, you know. You see me, so you can go up on him Vivo channel, Kid Chop Music, you see me. Yeah, man, he have couple songs in his catalog, you know, so I just that the song they alone him up on his catalog. He have whole heap of song in his Vivo, so I want to know guys to go over there.
The world cold chill freezer.
Yeah, man, I make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there, you see me? And the things we are going in a really artists I sing about, man. Yeah, some of them girls are wicked, man. You see me? Some of them girls are opportunists, you see it? They don't go there with the fee. True, you can give them things and true, you do certain type of thing, you see me? We can make them alright and live a type of life. But right now, I don't to earth girls them be like, you see me? Girls are like if you who you are and who if you what you have, you see me? Yeah, man. Cause I don't think they are on the world nowadays. And some man fi see say a whole heap of gold digger out there right now. So them fi know what them a do. You see me? Cause them a girl and come to stay with you for you know. And your things them there for. And once your thing them gone and you're up on a level like say, all of them will go, you know. Some want to know if you go listen, Kid Chop. You see me? Yeah, man. Fuck it. Fuck love, man. You see me? Forget no youth, just take care of youth them and make your youth them alright. You still take care of baby mother them same way. Because you know a thing go or take care of who did it with you. But otherwise from that, youths them out there, you want to no focus on yourself, brother. You see me? Yeah, man. Because girls them out there, you know. You have good girls out there, same way, you know. You have bad girls out there. So I'm not going to make a bad one them blighted, the good one them future and thing. But youth them need to know what them a do same way and top make girl turn them in a some clown and some idiot. You see me? Yeah, man, so you know say Soji TV Entertainment there, you know, and I say yo, go over artist Vivo and go make him know say me send you over there. And also, yeah, man, listening song for yourself and make me know what you think after you listening song. You see me? I mean, I say big up on yourself. Yeah, man.
And inside man feel it. Yeah.